structure.
Today we will discuss about the chapter structure of the earth. আমরা আজকে পৃথিবীর অন্দরমহল নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। এখানে এরকম ডায়াগ্রামটা তৈরি করতে হবে, 3D ডায়াগ্রাম। এখানে যে ফার্স্ট লেয়ার অফ দ্য আর্থ সারফেস, ইট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ দ্য ক্রাস্ট। Over the crust we are inhabiting, over the crust agriculture is going on. This crust is divided into two layers. One is oceanic crust, where ocean surfaces are there, and another one is called the continental crust. Continental crust means continents. Continental crust made up of by two elements, silicate and aluminium. That's why it is termed as the sial. And the oceanic crust, that is made up of by the silicate and magnesium, that is it is termed as the sima. Sima is having much more weight than this sial layer, but this crust is the upper layer, topmost layer. Below the crust the hard rocks are present, and from this top to up to this it is known as the lithosphere. So crust is the upper surface of the lithosphere. The second layer is termed as the mantle. The second layer is termed as the mantle. Mantle layer is divided into two. One is upper mantle, this one is the upper mantle, and another one lower mantle, this one plus symbol, this is the lower mantle. Upper mantle is termed as the Cropeshima. CRO means chromium, Fe means ferrous, Si means silicate, and Ma means magnesium. And this lower mantle is termed as the Nifeshima. Ni stands for nickel, Fe stands for ferrous, Si silicate, and Ma magnesium. Here also Nifeshima is having much more weight than Cropeshima. The last layer, that is called core. Core is also divided into two layers. One is the inner core and another one is the outer core. Inner core and outer core. Core is divided into two layers, inner core, outer core. But this is called the outer core, this is called the inner core. So inner core is the deepest most layer of our earth. But inner core is solid in nature. Why? Because inner core is getting huge amount of pressure of the overlying layers. Inner core is getting huge amount of pressure of the overlying layers. That's why inner core is solid in nature and outer core is liquid in nature. But both the layers made up of by nickel and ferrous, that's why this is known as the Nife. Both the layers made up of by nickel and ferrous, that is known as the Nife. And the last thing, that is the discontinuity. Within these two layers, some thin layers are there where the characteristics of both the layers present. The characteristics of both the layers present, that is called discontinuity. Like atmosphere, we know that in between troposphere and stratosphere, tropopause is present. Like that, here also some thin layers are present in between the layers. Those layers are termed as the discontinuity. Thank you.